how to use focus stacking mode in Capsule Slider. First, mount your Capsule Slider onto your tripod. Then, put your camera on your Capsule Slider. Next, connect your Capsule Slider to your camera by using the camera connection cable. After that, power your device on. Now, power your camera on. Then, open the Capsule 360 mobile app. Finally, connect your device and choose the focus stacking mode from the menu. Before setting the parameters, you should set the desired movement by setting the motion path. Move your camera to the start point. Then press Next. Now select the movement direction, left or right, and press Finish. Then make the configuration of the focus stacking mode. Focus stacking is a method where multiple photos are captured at slightly different focal positions, and these photos are merged together to form a single image using only the focused areas of each of them. The frame parameter allows you to set the total number of photos to be taken. The exposure parameter defines the exposure value of each shot. You can set custom exposure from milliseconds to hours depending on your needs. Do not forget to use your camera at bulb mode if you want to control the exposure through Capsule Slider. The interval parameter defines the time that passes between each shot. You can set the interval from milliseconds to hours depending on your needs. The step parameter defines the distance between each shot. The shortest distance Capsule Slider can move is 0.86 micrometers, and you can achieve it by setting the step count to 1. If you set the step count to 1156, it will move 1 millimeter between each shot. You can save your settings for your next shootings and use them whenever you want. You can also schedule your focus stacking for a specific time. After setting the desired parameters and pressing the start button, Capsule Slider moves and takes the shots according to your setting while you can track the movement, the elapsed, and remaining time on the status screen. And that's it. It's all so easy.